Hey you guys, it's time for another Blending with Henry Vitamix giveaway. I think most of us can agree this has been the most challenging year of our lives, and what a great way to feel good than to win a Vitamix blender, right? Well, I've teamed up with Vitamix and we're giving away a Vitamix Ascent A3500. I've also teamed up with the Blended Up Company, and you guys know I love Blended Up. I'm always using their products in my videos, so we're including an amazing healthy package. Check this out. You guys, I've been enjoying Blended Up healthy products for years, and what a perfect package to include with a Vitamix. Now included with the package will be 2 protein powders. Clean Lean is an all-purpose protein that easily mixes with many types of flavors. Now the Protein Plus is a plant-based soy-free protein and is 100% vegan. Now both proteins are gluten and GMO free. The Bee Free Vegan Honey is a delicious alternative to honey. Now it's made with apples and lemon. The Southwest Spice Blend is a Tex-Mex style seasoning. Now it's great for soups and flavoring all sorts of recipes. The Italian Spice Blend is a combination of herbs, garlic, and Italian flavors. Now I've used this to make Italian style artisan bread. Now both spices are vegan, GMO free, gluten free, and contain no MSG. So this is a perfect package for a Vitamix. Now you guys, don't go skimming through the video looking for the contest rules. I have an extra special surprise somewhere in the video, and you don't want to miss out on this, so watch the entire video. Okay you guys, to enter the Vitamix giveaway, you must subscribe to my YouTube channel and please hit that thumbs up button. Like me on Facebook or follow me on Instagram and post a comment your reasons for wanting to win the Vitamix Ascent A3500 package. And you must have a valid Facebook or Instagram account and tag 3 friends on either social media account to alert them about the Blending with Henry contest. Now the winner will be chosen randomly between Facebook and Instagram. The one Vitamix Ascent A3500 package will be awarded to one USA winner. Oh wait, there's one more thing. Now for those of you who stuck around to watch the entire video, I have one more extra surprise. I also teamed up with Vitamix to give away a Vitamix Ascent A3500 to my loyal Canada audience. Check this out. For the past 8 years of Blending with Henry being on YouTube, I've enjoyed a very loyal Canadian audience. I truly appreciate you guys, and this is my way of saying thank you. For Canada, I will be giving away a brand new Vitamix Ascent A3500 and the winner gets to choose the color. For the USA audience, I will be giving away a Vitamix Ascent A3500 with the Blended Up Healthy package. For the Vitamix Ascent A3500 giveaway, the contest runs from 10/18/2020 through 10/23/2020. Now the winner will be chosen and announced following the end of the contest. So you guys, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my website newsletter, like me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram, and tag all your friends. This is the biggest Vitamix contest I've ever done, so best of luck!